Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre Lancashire. My name is Josh, I'm going to bring you to this Volkswagen Transporter Shuttle. So it's the Shuttle S, 110 PS, short wheelbase. We'll start at the front. Here you've got your headlights, your chrome strip on the grill there. You can see there you've got your front parking sensors. T6.1 model, coming into the driver's side. So you've got your heated wing mirrors, you've got your headlight switch down here. As you can see, this vehicle's only done 35 miles. You've got your leather multifunction steering wheel there, and just in the middle here you can see you've got your DAB digital radio, your media, you can select your source down here, got your menu down here, phone connectivity there, app connect there for connecting your device via USB, and you've got your push control down there. Down here you've got your button for your start stop off and your parking sensors button. So as you can see, you've got your front and rear parking sensors on there, and also if you put it into reverse, it will also show up when you do that as well. So in the middle there you've got your air conditioning controls, and as you can see you've got 5-speed manual. Down here you've got your 2 USB-C ports, your cup holder, your 12-volt socket. You've also got another 12-volt socket just up there. You've got cup holders both sides of the dash there. Got a storage tray here, another one there, and then further down you've got your glove box. You've got rubber flooring in the cab here. You've got both front seats with armrests both sides. You've got your second row and your third row of seats, but we'll get to those just now. As you can see, it's finished in Reflex Silver, which is a metallic paint. So you've got your 3 seats in the second row and 3 in the third row as well. Just pull this up, the seat will tip forward for access to the back row of seats there. So we've got 8 seats in total. Got your load lashing rings down there for securing anything you might need to, securing the load. As you can see at the back here, you've got your tailgate. So just there, as you can see, you've got a lot of room in the back there, as well as all the seats. Might be able to see just here, you've got the lights and the vents in the roof as well for the air conditioning. Coming onto the passenger side, you've also got a sliding door on this side with the same tipping feature on the chair, so you can get to the back row this way as well. And just here diesel and alcohol fill points. We've got a view of the cab there from the passenger side. If you'd like any more information about this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give us a call on 01772 911 356. Thank you for watching.